back with another video. We are here with another microwave video, and today we have this. I'm gonna show you guys. We have this heater, space heater, and as you can tell, what we're going to do with it. We're going to microwave it, and it'll probably trip the breaker just because it's plugged into an outlet. We don't have any GFCIs in the way this time, so we have it wired up in here to where we're going to power it on while the microwave is cooking it. So yeah, we're going to definitely need masks, and they're not the best masks, but they'll do, hopefully.
Yeah, the good ones are like fucking $40.
And all the other ones we wanted were out, so. Okay, there's not much to a space heater, but we're going to do it anyway, so. I guess if you want to plug it in, and we'll start this thing right away. The other way. There you go. Okay, so you gotta push hard. There you go. And we're going to set it for 3 minutes, or well, probably 2, huh?
I said try 5, but no.
Okay, here goes nothing. It's still going, man. That can't be a good sign. You put it freaking long distance. You do so? I think 5 minutes is gonna be. Oh god, I feel smoky. Oh god. Imagine how hot it's gonna be, man.
We're going to smoke into the fire.
Yeah, I don't know, maybe we should do our camera and do that. Uh-oh. Yeah, right here, we're gonna be reading. I'm surprised it's not tripping it. Yeah. Oh god. I hope it doesn't freaking melt the cord, man. I don't think that's smoke, I think that's something. It's probably gonna start off the heater, but I'm gonna see it. That cannot be very nice. Well, it's metal on metal, but. Looks like it was a safety or running. That's cool. Looks like it was a space or it's running. That's cool. It's not. What it is is oh, it's pretty good. Okay. I'm waiting for it to freaking turn off. You gotta imagine how hot that heat is getting this week, especially with no fans on. I didn't know the reason why it's going as long as it is just like that. The extra heat is. It's on, man. I know, microwave is, but it's heated. I could imagine if it's smoking that much. Once it blaze yet. I don't know if it's gonna flame up, but how much time? We got 1 minute 30 seconds. That microwave has to be super hot, man.
Imagine the heater.
I'm amazed that it hasn't tripped the breaker because normally you plug in a microwave and a space heater in the same plug. Done. Oh god. I see the smoke in the front, man.
About what? 30 some seconds left.
36. Oh, I smell it now.
Well, as much smoke as I thought it was going to be, you know. I was expecting there to be some real good spice. I always hate this out here.
The microwave we're wrapped up against, so much the heater must have gone out. Probably don't want to plug that heater. Dinner's ready. Is it on? Definitely running up some amperage right there, huh? So we're going to plug the microwave. We're going to plug in the heater again. We're going to see if the heater even works.
I'll be amazed if it does.
I don't hear nothing. Nah, we cooked it.
It's probably dead.
This ain't gonna work.
Get your pliers.
Yeah, you're right.
Put on the handle. It barely did anything.
Just look how hot it got here, though. The
Yeah, it
paint.
burned off the paint. The
Okay.
wire's still intact.
Oh, look at this gooey stuff here. This yellow. Oh no, that's a wire. That's a wire nut.
Yeah, that was one of the wire nuts.
Okay.
It melted through that hole.
Oh yeah, the sledge around here.
Damn. Drop this brick on it.
It's basically tin can.
I wonder if the wire's hot.
Is the
Not really. Oh, that's the.
is the heater hot?
I'm sure it is. It's probably very hot.
Oh yeah. Toasty. Anyway, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share, guys. Hopefully I was hoping for more of a show, but
I know that was kind of underwhelming.
stay tuned for more videos coming up, and till then, we'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace.